How to create a poll on Messenger. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to create a poll in a Messenger group chat. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Messenger on your device. You will land on the chat section. As of now, creating a poll is only available in group chats, not individual chats, since it does not make sense for just two people. So select a group chat where you want to create a poll. Then tap on the plus icon at the bottom left corner. Select the polls option. From here, you can create a poll in Messenger. In the question section, write what your poll is about. For example, I will write playing GTA 5 tonight. Then add options for your poll by tapping on the add option field. For example, I will write yes. To add another option, tap on the add option field again. Then I will write no. Tap on the add option field once more to add another option. For example, I will write not sure, need to decide. Similarly, you can add more options if needed. Finally, tap the create poll option and boom! You have successfully created a poll on Messenger. Now, all the group members can vote on their preferred option in your poll. You will keep getting updates on your Messenger poll as group members start voting. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.